Okay, so here we can start our today's lab. As we have completed experiment 5 in our previous lab, today we need to see our experiment 6. Before start this experiment, uh, first of all, I would like to check my voice. Voice is clear there. Voice, and I have shared the screen. Okay, voice and screen, both are clear, right? Okay, Shaktiraj, thank you for your answer. So with this, we can start our today's lab, and here we can start with the index. So here, first of all, let's see which experiment you need to cover today. Okay, so let me highlight it. So here it is highlighted. Aim of our today's experiment is construction of decoder and encoder using logic gates. Okay, you need to construct them. Once I will explain all this thing, you will open the virtual kit. Okay, using virtual kit, you can easily implement both of the circuit, decoder and encoder, and everyone will perform it. Okay, so here, first of all, we will start to understand what is the meaning of decoder. Okay, so here to understand the decoder, here one animation uh, that I'm going to open. Just a second. Yes. Okay, here this animation has been opened, and I would like to give you this link. Okay, using this link, I have opened this animation. So you need to observe it first of all. Then I'm going to ask some question from this animation. Let's say right now 0, 0 are given at the input side. Okay, at the output side, you can see three output low and one output is high. Okay, let's say I'm going to give 0, 1. Look at here, I have pressed, let me zoom it if it can be. Okay, so here if I will press or I will give 0, 1, then what is happening at the output side? Three output are low and one output is high. Okay, let's make 1, 0. Fine. So our observation is this output is high, rest of the output line low. Last combination, because 2 bits, so total 4 combination are possible. Let's say last combination 1, 1. So here one output is high, rest of the output low. So what is your observation? Can anyone tell me what is happening here? Have you seen this animation? What is your observation? Can anyone tell me, please? You can unmute yourself and you can tell what you have observed here from this animation. One of the Shaktiraj has observed one of the output is high, if at least one input is high. Okay, yes, Shaktiraj, good try. Here, what is happening? Decoding is happening. Decoding means if I'm going to give 0, 0, okay, I'm going to put my word in the chat box. If I'm going to give 0, 0 at the input, then zeroth line will be high. Zeroth line at the output will be high. Rest of the output will be 0 or will be low. I can say right now it is low. Low or 0, both are same. Okay. If I am going to give 0, 1 at the input, then first line of the output will be high. Okay. Same thing for rest of the combination. So over here decoding is happening. Decoding, let's say this gate, this is zeroth line, this gate zeroth line. Let's say this gate, I'm going to give the name first, second and third. If I'm going to give 0 0 at the input, then zeroth gate, right now I gave the name as zeroth gate. Zeroth gate is high, rest of the gate output low. 0 1, this is high, rest of low. 1 0, second number gate. Second number means I'm not counting like 1 2 3, okay, but I have given the number 0 1 and 2. So second number gate will output will be high, rest of the low. And 1 1. So here let's say reversing is happened. You right now you don't know about the input. Okay, right now you don't know about the input. And if this gate is high, so indirect meaning is at the input side coding is 1 1. Okay, so here decoding is happening, okay, in this particular animation. So here with this animation we need to start some theory behind the decoder circuit. A ready-made IC available. IC name is 74138. Okay, a ready-made circuit of decoder is available. But right now it is our task to design this circuit using different kind of logic gates. Okay, we will design it. But if for any project, if any project designer wants decoder IC, then he or she can purchase direct this IC. You need to remember the IC number. IC number is 74138. Ready-made IC is available. But right now we are going to design this decoder IC using 7408 AND gate IC. We need to design it. Okay. A ready-made design is also available. Now, what is the definition of decoder? So, as per the animation, a decoder that will accept a set of input. We have seen in the animation, two input are there. 0, 0, then I can give 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So, a decoder is having set of input which represents the binary number. Set of input represents the binary number. Activates only one output line. We have seen this from animation. One output line will be activated. Which output line will be activated? It depends on input number. If 0 0 at the input side, then zeroth output line will be activated. Rest of the line will be deactivated. So from the animation here, I hope the definition is clear about the decoder. If I will draw the decoder block diagram, so decoder will be having n number of input and m number of output. N number of input and m number of output. Where m is equal to 2 raised to n. Means we have seen this animation. In this animation, two input were there. So at the output, we were having 4 output. So it is called 2 cross 4 decoder. If a decoder which is having 2 input and 4 output, then decoder name is 2 cross 4. Here 4 is m. Okay, so 4 is equal to n is input. Inputs are 2. So output will be decided by the number of input. So let's say if inputs are 3, so output line will be 8. So it is called 3 cross 8 decoder. If input line 4, then output line will be 16. So it is called 4 cross 16 decoder. So different kind of decoders are available, depends on an inputs and output line. The name of decoder is given. Okay. What is the decoder? Decoder, it's a kind of logic circuit that will accept a set of input which represents the binary. It will generate only one output, activate at a time. Only one output will be generated. Here, let's say 2 cross 4 line decoder given. Means you need to design this internal circuit. Your today task is to design 2 cross 4 decoder. You need to make the circuit for 2 cross 4 decoder. Now this is the block diagram. Now here output of this decoder is connected to 4 devices. What is the application of decoder? Can anyone tell me from this figure? First of all, can anyone tell me what can be the application of decoder? Where we can use decoder? Can anyone tell me please? In PC accessories, Shakti Raj. Any other answer? What can be the application of decoder? Where we can use decoder? So here in this particular figure, 4 devices are there. One is CD player, one is keyboard, one is mouse, and one any other device is available. Let's say output of this line is connected to CD driver. Output of this line is connected to keyboard. Output of this line is connected to mouse. And output of this line is connected to any other one more device is given. Let's say I am going to give 0 0 here. Then this is zeroth line. Zeroth line will be having high voltage. Rest of the line will be having low voltage. So although physical wire are already connected, all these devices are connected physically. Means wire are already there. Wire connected already. But still only this CD driver will be on, rest of the devices will be off. Why? Because here I gave 0 0, so rest of the line will be getting low voltage, only zeroth line will be getting high voltage. So if it is getting high voltage, then this CD driver will be getting high voltage, and if it will get high voltage, then it will be operated. Let's say if I am going to give the pattern 1 0. So right now A0 is LSB, A1 is MSB. So your pattern is, this is your pattern, which is equivalent to 1. So this line will be getting higher voltage, rest of the line will be getting lower voltage. So which device will be activated? Can anyone tell me? Which device, if I am going to give 0 1, then which device will be on? D1, yes, D1. Keyboard is connected. Shaktiraj keyboard is connected with D1. Okay, so keyboard will be activated. So this is the application of decoder. If I want to activate any one device from many devices without making any connection breaking, so decoder can be used. Here is the truth table. A0, A1, whenever they are 0, 0, D0 line is 1, rest of the line will be 0. 0, 1, D1 line will be 1, rest of the line will be 0. 1, 0 and 1, 1. From the truth table, I can make the equation. So what is the equation of D0? Only one is available at D0 column. D0, I want to make an equation of D0. So here 1. What are the input combination? A0 bar, A1 bar. So this is the equation of D0. Let's say I want to make D1 equation. So here 1 is given. In front of this one, A1 bar, A0. So this is the equation. Likewise D2 and D3. Once you got the equation, then you need to draw the circuit. So how circuit is drawn? A0, A1, both the input are taken. Here inverter are connected. So it is A0 bar and A1 bar. Now D0. What is D0? A0 bar and A1 bar. So A0 bar and A1 bar. So it is D0. What is D1? A0. So I can get A0 from here. A0 and A1 bar. So this is A1 bar. Next is A1, A0 bar. So I can get A1 and A0 bar. And final A0 and A1. So both the connection are taken from here, A0 and A1. So in this manner, this circuit is implemented. Now what is your task? You will take out your pen and book. You will write the truth table in your book and you will make this circuit in your book. Whenever you are going to make a lab manual, at that time you will take a photo of your book work of truth table and the logic circuit. This photo should be taken from your book work and you need to paste it in your lab manual. Once all this thing is done, then you will open the virtual kit. Okay, you will open this virtual kit and everyone will make a connection as per this circuit. Here this circuit is given. Everyone will make a connection. How many IC will be used? Can anyone tell me? If I want to implement this circuit using virtual lab, how many IC should I use to implement 2x4 decoder? How many IC should be used? 2 IC. Yes, Shaktiraj, which are those? Very good. Shaktiraj, which IC you are going to use? AND gate and 7 Shaktiraj 7432 is OR gate IC. Over here, OR gate are not there anywhere. one AND gate IC, one AND gate IC, and it is 7408, and one NOT gate IC, and it is 7404, right? So this IC will be used. You will open you will open this uh, particular virtual kit, okay, and then you will make a connection. So that is about decoder and your task, okay. And let's talk about your lab manual. Whenever you are going to open your lab manual, experiment number 6, this is your experiment number 6, construction of decoder and encoder. So here you will write the apparatus. Apparatus means the DG virtual kit. Then which ICs that you are going to use for the decoder, IC name. I'm going to explain encoder also. Okay. So encoder, you need to write the apparatus. Then you will write brief theory about the decoder and encoder. Decoder has been already explained. I am going to explain encoder. Okay, once this lab manual explanation is over, then I will explain encoder. So here a brief theory about decoder and encoder should be written. Then logic diagram of decoder with its truth table means first of all everything will be drawn in your book. This truth table, this truth table, this expression, and this circuit should be drawn in your book, and your bookwork photo should be pasted here for the decoder. Next, encoder. Still, encoder has not been explained. I am going to explain it. But once encoder is explained, then you will paste here your bookwork photo. Then you should type procedure. Then paste your simulation result screenshot here. Means you will open this kit, you will make a connection, you must have the right output, and your simulation work photo should be pasted in this given place for encoder and decoder for both of this thing. Then you will write conclusion and post lab and pre lab screenshot. So for it you will open virtual lab. Everyone aware, right, with the virtual lab? Everyone will open virtual lab where you can attempt pre-lab and post-lab, and this work should be pasted here. So in this way your lab manual will be prepared. First of all, is there any doubt in the preparation of lab manual and decoder? Anyone? Harsh, are you there? Harsh,
Yes, ma'am.
is there any doubt in lab manual preparation and decoder?
No, ma'am.
Hemangi, Hemangi, are you there? Okay, Janvi, Janvi is not there. Mudit, okay, Janvi. Ved, okay. So here, first of all, I will complete encoder. Then I will give you some time for your book work, and then you will perform your practical online. Okay. So can anyone tell me now? Decoder. Okay, wait. Thank you for your reply. So decoder, it's a kind of circuit that can decode the input. How it can be decoded? By activating only one output line. Rest of the line will be not activated. So that is about decoder. And what is the application of decoder? If I want to give or if I want to start any one device from multiple connected device, then I can send a a related input. So based on the input pattern, a related output line will be getting higher voltage. Rest of the line will be getting lower voltage. Okay, so only one device can be on. Now can anyone think about encoder? Can anyone think about encoder? To understand encoder, please observe it. I would like to replay it. Is it visible? I have opened one YouTube video, means a short animation kind of thing. Multiple high output. Shaktiraj, observe it again. Shaktiraj, yes, good try, Shaktiraj. Observe it again. Observe input and output and observe output pattern carefully. Okay. See, observe it again. See, first of all, four input. These four switches are there. Means there are four inputs and two output. IC ready-made available. Okay, this is IC of encoder ready-made available. But we are not going to use this ready-made IC. We need to design an internal circuit. What circuit is given inside this IC? We need to design it. Construction of encoder. That is our aim. But if let's say encoder IC is available and if I am going to connect multiple input and multiple output. Now what is happening? Let's say this switch is pressed. Okay. So none of the LED on. Okay. Now suppose whenever first LED is pressed, first switch is pressed. Please look at the output. Whenever first switch is pressed, what is happening? Can anyone tell me? Whenever zeroth switch was pressed at that time, none of the LED were on. Then he pressed first switch. Then output code 01. Okay, let's say this LED 0 and say this second LED 1. Now let's say he is going to press next switch. What is the output? Whenever he pressed a very first switch at that time, none of the LED was on. Means I can say output 00. Whenever he pressed next switch, then one LED was on, one was off. I can say output is 01. Over here, he pressed this next switch. Output is 10. Means one LED on, first LED is on, next is, so my output is 10. Now look at further animation. What is output? Output is 1 1. Output is 1 1. So here I can say that as name suggests, encoder will give a coding 00 01 10 and 11. Are you getting my point? Encoder, it's a kind of circuit that will give some coding. If my zeroth switch is pressed, then output 00. First switch press, output 01. Second switch press, 10. Third switch press, 11. So, zeroth switch, first switch, second switch, and third switch. Zeroth, first, second, and third. So here input line 4, output line 2. That's why it is called 4 cross 2 encoder. Can anyone tell me what can be the next encoder? One is 4 cross 2. Then if I want to increase this input output number, then which kind of encoder can be made? 8 cross 4. 8 cross 4. Shakti Raj, 16 cross 4 is right. But 8 cross, Shakti Raj, 8 cross, it should be 8 cross 3. 8 cross 3. And 16 cross 4 is right. Okay. So let's say total 8 input switches and 3 output LED, or 16 input switches and 4 output LED. Like this. Here 4 input switches and 2 output LED. That's why it is called 4 cross 2 encoder. Encoder, it's a kind of circuit that will give some coding based on the input. Okay, so now we will see a theory behind encoder. So in this theory here, let's say we need to start with the definition itself. Okay, so encoder, it's a kind of device that will convert a number into coded format. We have seen from the animation 00011011. So this is the encoder which is having number of input and number of output. So let's say if I am going to take 4 cross 2 encoder. Okay. So if 4 cross 2 encoder, then 4 input, 4 input and 2 output. Let's say inputs name y0, y1, y2, y3, and outputs name a0 and a1. So y0, y1, y2, y3, a0 and a1. Now from this, I can prepare a truth table, a circuit which is having 4 input and 2 output. Whenever zeroth switch, this is zeroth switch, let's say, zeroth switch is 1, both the LED or at the output, I can get 0, 0. Whenever this first LED Y1 is on or pressed, at that time, output is 0, 1. Second switch is pressed, means it is 1. At that time, output 1, 0. And if third switch is pressed, means it is 1, output 1, 1. So this is the truth table. Encoder, it's a kind of circuit that will give some coding, okay, based on its input. So now what is the next step? I need to find equation of A1. I need to find equation of A0. So which method will be used? Can anyone tell me, please? If I want to find equation of A1 and equation of A0, which method will be used? So here I can make a K-map. Okay, let me ask some question first of all. I should make K-map, right? I will make a K-map. Can anyone tell me how many cells should I draw in K-map? Yes, Tushar. Tushar, are you there? Very simple question. Yes, Tushar. Now, truth table is ready of encoder. I need to design its circuit. But to design its circuit, I must have some equation. To find the equation, I need to make K-map. Okay, I need to make K-map. So, if I want to draw K-map, how many cells should I draw? Tushar. Yes, has anyone have any answer? Himangi? 16, Shaktiraj. Yes, very good. I should draw. Tushar, are you there? Tushar, unmute yourself, please. Tushar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tushar. Yes, Tushar, how many cells should I draw?
मैडम इट्स डिपेंड्स मतलब कितने वेरिएबल है उस पर डिपेंड करता है.
अभी तो दिखाया ना 4 वेरिएबल है.
यस तो 16 ए बी
ओ,
अप साइड और सी डी डाउन साइड मतलब उसको तो कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं.
but Tushar, here
यस
variable name y0, y1, y2, y3.
यस
Then should I take ABCD?
नो
Then
y1 y2 y0 वही ले सकते हैं ना. 16 से 16 बॉक्स बने 16 सेल बनेंगे 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 11 12 14 13 एंड 8 7 8 10 9.
okay, Tushar. Okay, Tushar, thank you for your reply. So here,
थैंक यू.
here Tushar has tried his best to give answer. Yes, Shaktiraj, you are right. So whenever you are going to design the K-map, you will be getting A1 equation y3 or y2 and A0 equation y3 or y1. Whenever you are going to give some time for your book work, at that time everyone will make a K-map and everyone will verify the equation. If at that time you will have any query, you can ask me. Everyone will make K-map and you need to tell me how this A1 and A0 equation is y3 or y2, y3 or y1 is happening. Okay, for it you need to prepare a K-map and I want to see how you are going to make the K-map. Okay, so this is the final circuit. Over here, output A0, A1. A1 is equal to Y3 or Y2. So Y3 Y3 and Y2 are connected here. So A1 is equal to Y2 or Y3 and A0 is equal to Y3 or Y1. So whenever Y0 is pressed, so Y0 is not connected anywhere here. So output will be 0, 0. Whenever y1 is pressed, means whenever y1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, sorry, y1 is equal to 1. So here 1, y2 is 0, y2 is 0, y3 also 0. So our output is 0, 1. So that is what our aim. Whenever y1 is 1, our output should be 0, 1. If I am going to take if I'm going to take y2 1, okay, so y2 is equal to 1. So here y3 0, y2 is pressed, means this switch is pressed. These switches are not pressed. They are not pressed means they are 0. Then y3 0 and y1 also not pressed, so 0. So output 1 0. So whenever y2 is pressed, our output should be 1 0. Last combination, let's say if I am going to press y3 switches, they are not pressed, means they are 0. So let's verify it with circuit. Y3 is 1, y2 and y1 are 0. So 1 0 or 1, 1 0 or 1. So output should be 1 1. So this is encoder block diagram, encoder truth table, encoder Boolean function, and encoder circuit for 4 cross 2. You can be asked in your examination 8 cross 3, but we will cover it in our theory portion. You can also be asked to design 16 cross 4 encoder. Steps are same. You will draw the block diagram of 8 cross 3. You will prepare a truth table as same manner as 4 cross 2. Then you will prepare the equation and then you will prepare the final diagram. So now I have explained all these things from my side. Now for 1 hour, it is your turn to complete your task. What you will do, you will make truth table, equation and logic diagram for decoder in your book. You will make truth table, block diagram, equation, K-map, okay, and final diagram for encoder in your book. Once your book work will be completed, you will open this DELSIM, you will connect the circuit, and this circuit output should be matched with your prepared truth table in your book. So you need to verify your output with your prepared truth table. So now it is your task to start your work. Everyone will take their book and pen. I am going to give you some time. Then you can be asked to share your screen. Okay, or I can tell you also to explain the K-map of encoder. Fine. And if any point of time you find any query, then you can ask me. Okay, so start your work. Is there any doubt up to this? Anyone? Okay, so here this is DELSIM, and you need to attempt a pre-lab and post-lab question from virtual lab. So here in the virtual lab, list of experiment from where you need to find, yes, here encoder and decoder, 8th experiment. You will open pre-test and post-lab. If you want to see simulator, they can also use it. This is your virtual lab link. And this animation was explained about encoder. I'm also going to put this link in the chat box. So everything is assigned to you. Please start your work.